Hey guys, so Samsung recently pushed out a huge update for the Galaxy S21 users. The update is present in the form of April security patch and total size of the update is around 800 to 900 megabyte. I have a Snapdragon S21 Ultra that received this update just yesterday. You can check for update on your Galaxy S21 series smartphone, as most of the people around the globe are getting this update before the start of April 2021. So what's new with this update? It mainly focuses on the overall device and camera stability. Also, a lot of people were having heating issues with their Galaxy S21 Ultra, especially the Snapdragon version. With this new update, things have improved a lot. Now the device is not unnecessarily hot, and doing some benchmarks, scores have improved as well. This shows Samsung has really done something to overall enhance the stability of the device. One more thing that is related to the camera, now you can take portrait shots with 3x telephoto zoom, which was not present before. So Samsung is really listening to the user feedback, except for the Exynos and Snapdragon debacle. If you have received this update, let me know in the comment section below whether or not you are having any issues with your device. One more problem that was reported by a lot of people was excessive heating of device during charging. Some people still have this issue even with the April security patch. I don't have it on my device. Let me know once again down below whether or not you are having this issue on your Galaxy S21 Ultra with April security update. So that was pretty much it with the update. Let me know your thoughts and hopefully I'll make a follow-up video regarding the S21 Ultra heating issue after I use this device for a week or so with the new update. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.